Good Sunday evening. Here's your webcast for tonight. We saw once again another day of gloomy conditions with lots of clouds passing through central Alabama. Looking at radar loop for the past almost 12 hours, seeing just lots of clouds constantly pushing through the state. But we also saw just a few very isolated showers across central Alabama. You kind of notice that band moving from north to south. In reality, not even that much rain came from it because we have a pretty large dry slot in the atmosphere right now that a lot of that's evaporating before it makes it to the ground. Highs earlier today in the mid-60s, so a little bit cooler but still very muggy conditions out there, making it feel a lot warmer than what it actually was. Looking at satellite and radar right now, looking at Tropical Storm Harvey, still classified as a tropical storm. However, I don't think that's going to be lasting for too much longer. Still, Houston being pounded by intense amounts of rain. Noticing these large bands just constantly coming into the city, developing right over top of it, and even still seeing tornado warnings developing with it. Looking at rainfall totals right now, over 30 inches, or at least very close to that, in many areas around the Houston metro area. Looking at Dayton, Santa Fe, 27 inches. That is an immense amount of rain in just a few hours. That's almost 10 inches every single day. In reality, this is almost what you could expect in many locations in Texas for a rainfall total out of the entire year. So they've got almost a rainfall totals that would be what you would expect for an entire year. That is a lot. Looking at the track right now, you kind of notice that it's going to continue to stall over Texas for a little bit longer, but miles are finally starting to pick up. That it's going to start traveling along with the trough that's going to be resting over top of the Tennessee Valley just north of Alabama. That means we're going to be seeing a big increase in rain later on this coming work week. Looking at the rain forecast, unfortunately Texas, though, because it's still going to be lingering there, has more rain to deal with. Potentially 12 more inches in some areas. That could not be the case. However, more rain is regardless on the way, which is not a good thing for the Houston area. Here back at home early tomorrow morning, starting off already with some clouds. We're going to get into the afternoon, still seeing those hanging around with us. I think we'll see the opportunity for just a few isolated showers across west and north Alabama, but for the rest of central Alabama, remaining dry. Going into tomorrow night, still lots of clouds. Those will be sticking with us overnight tomorrow night, and getting into Tuesday morning, still lots of clouds across the area, and once again another opportunity for a few pop-up showers and storms, but overall on the majority of central Alabama staying dry. Getting into Tuesday evening, we'll start drying out a little bit, but still lots of clouds. And once we start getting to Wednesday, that's when we'll start feeling the effects from Harvey. That's going to bring an increased chance of rain. In fact, looking at our rain chances over the next 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, not too bad, but after that, rain chances increasing. We might even have to bump these up more in the coming days as we get a better idea of exactly how Harvey's going to be traversing across the southeast. Overnight tonight, lows dropping down into the 70s. Still fairly mild though, and those clouds sticking with us. Rain chances slowly increasing and then dramatically spiking by the time we get to Wednesday. It's going to stay that way throughout the remainder of the work week and even on into likely next weekend, and temperatures staying fairly stagnant around those mid-80s.